Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a beautiful car. It's a 1963 Corvette Roadster. I got Joe here. He's going to tell us a little bit about it. How we doing today, Joe?
Very good.
What a pretty car, bro.
Thank you.
Oh my God.
The 63 Roadster.
Okay.
I've had it for about 12 or 13 years. I pretty much did the car completely over. It had a lot of mismatched and not correct parts when I first bought it.
Okay.
I put the error correct 327 in it. It's not a matching number mold, but it's an error correct with all the right pulleys, original intake manifold, original shielding. So everything under the hood pretty much looks originally the way it should. It's built as a 340.
Okay.
Because when I first bought the car, I noticed that it had a 6,500 RPM tack in it.
Yeah, that's 340 or Fullie, right?
Right, that indicates 340 or Fullie, and it does have the Fullie radiator support. So
I would say it's a Fullie.
I think originally the car was a Fullie. Somebody had taken that off and kind of made some changes to it.
Mm-hmm.
But I tried to put it back as original as I can.
Oh, it sits pretty, Joe.
It's got, it's got an M20 tranny. It's got a 355 Posi rear. It's original rear in the car. I just changed the gearing.
Okay.
All the suspension's been redone. Everything's been redone in the car. The whole bottom of the car is, body on kind of restoration under there. I have a lift, so we got under it and did the whole bottom over. It's got off-road chambered exhaust system.
Mm-hmm.
Sounds like side pipes, except they're not in your ear. They're at the back of the car.
You have a hard top with it, right?
Yeah, I have the original hard top. Comes with it. I have the original steel wheels, Kelsey Hayes steel wheels with matching original hubcaps.
Mm-hmm.
With the white wall, right size white wall radial tires to go with it.
These look pretty good on it too. These are American Racing, like a Halibran kind of a look.
Right. I like this look, and I wanted something a little bit different. So
yeah. So you're gonna give them the sad and the Kelsey Hayes with the caps, right?
And the original, yeah. Well, the original stuff goes with the car.
Yeah. Okay. Beautiful chrome and stainless.
New convertible top.
Yeah. I noticed that too. It's cloth.
Yeah, it's a cloth
which
top.
Is really nice.
Similar to what the Porsches and Mercedes have.
Yeah, it adds a really, really nice touch to it. Beautiful body, beautiful paint. How old's the paint, Joe?
63. Excuse me?
How old is the paint?
The paint is about, I want to say, 5 or 6 years old.
Yeah, it shows.
And
beautiful.
Since I redid the car, it doesn't even have 400 miles on it.
Oh my God. Well, if you ever want me to put miles on it, just let me know.
Yeah.
Really nice. Excellent body fitment. Chrome and stainless is gorgeous.
The interior is, I would say it's about 80% original.
Wow. So what, just the carpets are changed?
Carpets were changed, and some of the paintwork and whatever, but that's about it. It has the original, seats are original, all the trim work inside is original, door panels.
Wow, it's gorgeous for being original, that's for sure. Original seat belts.
Yeah.
That's the way they were done. Original seats too. Pretty cool. They're not all flattened out and lumpy. They look great. Right, frosting around the gauges. I would say the 67,000 miles is original, right, Joe?
Yeah, well, yeah. Everything there is original.
Pretty cool. The gauges work?
Yeah, all the gauges work.
Mm-hmm.
The clock is original. It's a little temperamental, but it does work.
There it goes. Well, it's right twice a day, right, Joe?
Yeah.
And it's ticking too, guys. So that's an original clock. The reproductions, they sweep. And it probably just needs a little bit of tuning out, but it'll work fine. Pretty.
Has the original glove box door.
Look, even the light works down here. They never work, Joe.
What's that?
The lights. Really pretty. let's check out under the hood. Sorry for wind, guys. It's abnormally windy around here today. So very correct under here as well.
Yeah.
All the right.
Has correct air cleaner, even though it does have an Edelbrock 550 4-barrel on it.
Mm-hmm.
I made the original intake fit and all the hoses.
Yeah,
all
it looks
fuel
great.
lines are all original to for the car. It's all that.
Very correct ends and hoses.
This is the original intake for the 340.
Looks great.
Well, it has the special high performance pulleys on it, the deep groove.
Got all the right shielding under here as well.
A lot of the shielding is original. I had to just hunt up a few replacement pieces.
Man, look at the idler pulley too. You never see those.
Right.
Really cool. And guys, there's the cutout for the fuel injection system.
Right.
Definitely a Fullie.
That's for the air intake.
Yeah.
It's got a new steering box in it. I replaced the steering box.
And how's she run?
Runs great.
Well, we're gonna find out.
Okay.
Let's fire it up.
All right, very good. Windy day. I don't want to leave it too.
No, God forbid it drops. I like the off-road exhaust too, coming out the back.
Pardon me?
The off-road exhaust coming out the back's really nice.
Right. Yeah.
So the side pipes can get a little annoying sometimes.
Well, yeah, 63 didn't come with side pipes, but the off-road, the chambered exhaust was an option.
Chambered exhaust, guys, is no mufflers. Just comes straight out. Man, she sounds good. Sounds like it's got a little cam in it.
Yeah, well, a 340 cam. This was actually a replacement, but it's a hydraulic. It's a hydraulic replacement.
Okay.
Chet Urban makes a copy of the original 340 cam.
Ah,
but
okay.
I would guess that this motor's probably making a little more than 340. It's probably somewhere around 375.
Yeah. Sounds real healthy.
Ocean Parkway is the way to go right now.
Yeah, it is.
Shift's nice. Line's nice.
Line's beautiful.
I've been
It's
told
not
for-
all rattly.
Yeah, for a 63, that's kind of unusual, to tell you the truth.
63s are
63s are
known
usually-
for rattles.
Right. This one's pretty tight. I went over it pretty good. Nut and bolted everything.
Sounds nice. Chilly here today, guys. Got some juice to it. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give us a buzz. We're at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. Thanks a lot.